I'm going to show you now how I tied this bow, and it's super easy. So first you need a longer side and a short side, and for your short side you just want to put it in the middle of the present and just test that you're going to get a nice sized bow on that side. So put your ribbon underneath, cross them over the top, and then tighten it like this. And then placing your thumb on your shorter edge, you're going to run this piece across the back, bringing it back around the front, and then loop it underneath your knot. Pulling it tight. Then I like to make 2 bunny ears, like this. Ooh. Cross them over and make a knot, and then you have a lovely bow.